Hello friends, in this video, I will show how to fix Gmail storage fill-up issue and clean up your Gmail storage. Let's start. At first, I will open my Gmail, and I can see a pop-up message about, you will getting stop email from April 28th. That's mean, my mail storage is full, and I need to clean up my space. Same as, we can say the same message in our Google account, Google Drive, or Google Photos, about storage fill-up issue. At first, we need to stop Google Drive, auto backup options. Let's see, how can I clean up my Gmail storage space? Go to the mail inbox, and click Cleanup Space. Now, we can see the different type of Google services, and consume storage details, as Google Photo, Gmail, Google Drive, and another. Here we can see also, maximum storage is fill up by Google Photos, so I need to delete some photos from my Google Drive. Now, at first I delete some big file containing mail, from my Google account for free app space. Click Review, and delete all unnecessary mail. After select, delete this mail permanently, from your mailbox. Same as, I delete my all unnecessary mails, for my mailbox, and free up space in my Google account. After delete, go to the Google Drive, and check your all image, data or file, which is unnecessary. We need to delete this file for free up Google Drive space. I see all of my photos, and video, in my Google Drive, and delete all unnecessary photos and video from here. After deleting all videos, and picture from Google Drive, then we need to empty our trash folder for free up space. Click Move to Trash all selected file first. Friend, remember, my Google storage is maximum fill up by photos and videos, so I need to delete maximum photos or videos, which is unnecessary. At first, we need to stop Google Drive, auto backup options. At the same time, we must need to stop automatic backup, for my Google account. Click Move to Trash all selected file first. I delete all of my old photos. Now, go to the trash folder, and click on Empty Trash, for delete all files from Google Drive. Here we can see now, 90% storage is used. I need to delete more photos, from my drive. After deleting all unnecessary email, photos, videos, and other files from my Google Drive, you can see, my storage is mostly free fully as 15 gigabytes. I hope you can understand. Friends, please, subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions, and press the bell button, for new and updated technology-related video tutorials. Thanks for watching this video, and stay with us.